Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Nokia 6310 dual SIM feature phone. First thing that you need to do is insert the battery, which is pretty simple. Just make sure that the metallic plates are connected to the metallic nodes. So this particular phone had very little charge, so I have connected it to a power outlet. And now this is the landing page that you get once you start the phone for the first time. This is basically the language selection page. I'm going to select English and done. Notice that the font size is very big. This is a pretty big display. This is a 2.8-inch QVGA display and the font size is pretty big. Now we can select time as well, but I'm going to skip that for a while. Now it says thank you for choosing Nokia 6310. Continue. Speak the items on the screen in English. Turn it on now. Okay, readout not necessary. I don't need any readout. It's saying it's charging. So right now this is the home page or the so this is the home page of the Nokia 6310. Notice that there are no SIM cards here because I personally don't have a SIM card with me. Now let's see what different things we have over here. Let's check out the photos and the captured photo, etc. There's no photos here. Received image, none. Let's quickly take a look at the settings. Okay, phone settings. You have language, keyboard settings. Alright, welcome note. Okay, let's take a look at display settings. There are wallpapers. Default, there are 4 wallpapers. Let's select a new one. And center it is. There you go, wallpaper applied. I don't know if you can see this. Let's take out the backlight. This is the highest intensity. Let's keep it a little low. A little low, yeah, that should do. And what else do we have? Standby screen is on. Let's keep it on for now. Notifications on. Font size. So currently we're at normal size. Let's check out the large fonts. Okay, menu. Let's also switch to large font and see what it looks like. So let's see what it looks like. So now we have the large fonts basically. I don't see any difference. Let's try it again. Font size, contacts also large. Okay, so they're all large fonts now. So basically the spacing has changed a bit. Let's go to contacts and see what it looks like. Okay, no dial numbers. And now let's take a look at the VGA camera. So this is the VGA camera. You can see my laptop through here. I don't know if you can notice, but let me just quickly put another object here. So like this camera battery over here that we have, and let's take a picture. There you go, I've taken a picture of this. Let's take out some of the options. There's share, delete and rename options. I'm obviously not going to share it right now. So the call cancel button is the most important button. This is the button that you use to power on this particular phone, also to switch it off. And not just that, you can escape any app just by pressing that button. For instance, if I am suppose I want to play, that, stop. Okay. Suppose I want to play a game, for instance. So we have, what are the games? Excuse me. So let's take a look at Snake, which is the most popular game. I don't see it here. Where is Snake? It did say it has Snake in it. Okay, they have Tetris. So let's take a look at Tetris. Play 5 trials. You have to buy the original game. Okay, cancel. I don't want sound. Let's play it without sound for the time being. So suppose you're playing a game here, and you want to quickly exit. So just press the call cancel button and you can exit the particular app. Let's also take a look. Okay, there is Snake over here. So let me show you that as well. So once again, same logic applies. Sorry, what happened? That once you want to escape the game, whenever that is, just press the call cancel button and you've escaped. Okay, finally let's take a look at the FM radio. So this is the FM radio. This is both wired and wireless. So it's saying insert headset. I don't have a headset right now, but I'm still going to use it. It's tuning. It's almost automatically starts tuning. But you can stop this as well and take a look at the... So this is the tuner. Sorry. So this is basically the tuner of the radio. I'll tune it a little more just to see if I get anything. Okay, I found one channel, but that's about it for the time being. And this is it. This is how you set up the Nokia 6310 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.